Adam, Teresa, locally, those calls are being answered at Goodwill of the Finger Lakes Contact Center in Rochester. And in 2 years, support here has only evolved, with more than double the number of professionals connecting with those in need. It became the first three-digit resource of its kind. The 24/7 helpline 988 went live in July of 2022, connecting those faced with mental health struggles of any kind with a trained counselor.
Our center has 8 counties where we answer the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. You can dial 911 when you have a medical emergency, a fire, you need some type of law enforcement response. With 988, you can get connected in the moment to trained professionals who can help you if you're experiencing suicidal thoughts, any type of mental health crisis.
Since Goodwill of the Finger Lakes took on its partnership with 988 locally 2 years ago, they've more than doubled the number of professionals available to take the call, now at more than 70. Whether it's by call or by text, Goodwill CEO Jen Lake says it's about connecting people with the right resources.
On how to be that non-judgmental presence that can really respond to individuals that may just be having a bad day, where they're feeling very anxious, all the way up to they may be contemplating taking their life. We also look for people with lived experience, so individuals who have struggled with their own mental health or behavioral health challenges over the years, so that they really can identify with what it is that people are calling in.
Through 988, Goodwill also handles intakes for mobile crisis teams and can deploy them to longer-term solutions if needed. And as demand for talk therapy only continues to climb across the U.S., Goodwill intends to expand its workforce here going forward.
The more we talk about that it's a sign of strength to make a phone call, reach out for help, the more people feel like they're not alone. And so the more we can raise our voices and really show it's a sign of strength. And, you know, Goodwill is just proud to be there to answer those calls.
Now, there is also crucial legislation before the governor right now with support from our local lawmakers called the Student Lifeline Act, which would mandate colleges and universities include that 988 number to student IDs so the resource is immediate, always accessible. And at the federal level as well, the FTC is close to fixing geolocations for 988 to align a caller's area code with a professional in their respective locale. Say, for instance, if it was a 716 number, it would then go to Buffalo if that person lived somewhere else. Reporting in studio, Natalie Kutchko, News 8.